It's lit.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice. Oh, don't talk to me at all, yeah. On the way, one call, yeah. Count it up and it's all.
Alright guys, so I have recorded this video. This is the third time I'm trying to do this. First time I recorded it, my camera didn't even record the first half of the video. Second time I tried to record it, I lost the last half of the video, and then my camera died. So here we are. I'm about to try and do this makeup look using some of the products that I bought. Originally this was going to be kind of a review plus a get ready with me, but honestly I am tired of trying to review this stuff, so I'm going to do a get ready with me, and I'm just gonna tell you how I feel about the products as I do it. So it's still kind of a review, but it's not like a swatch and review type thing, if that makes sense. So let's just get started with the makeup look. I already washed my face, moisturized my face with Aveeno baby lotion. I've also already did my eyebrows. If you guys want an eyebrow tutorial, let me know in the comments below. A lot of people ask me how I do my eyebrows, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, comment below, let me know, and I can try and get that uploaded. True life, I really suck at doing my eyebrows on camera. I don't know why, but for you guys, I will try it and hopefully it comes out good. So to prime my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Baby Skin. I use to prime my eyes, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the color Toffee. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using, like I said, the 3 palettes that I purchased. So I will be using the Saharan palette from Juvia's Place, the Nubian palette from Juvia's Place, and the Crayon Cases New Rule palette. This palette is a neutral and shimmer. And if you follow the Crayon Case, or if you follow their owner Supa, then you know that they have their other palette, which is the more famous palette, the Box of Crayon palette. It is very, very bright. It has a lot of bright colors: yellow, pink, green, red, stuff like that. I don't personally wear those colors for real, so I was really excited when this one came out. So if you are like me, you like neutral, matte colors, and a few shimmers, I would highly recommend this palette for you. And then the 2 palettes from Juvia's Place. This is what the Nubian palette looks like. It is also matte, shimmer, neutral colors. It doesn't have a mirror on the top, which I kind of like mirrors in my palettes, but you know, to each their own. But it has some really nice colors. And then, as y'all can see, I've already kind of messed up one of the colors, so, because I was trying to record this video yesterday. And here is the Saharan palette. It has a few more brighter colors, but they're still pretty neutral. I do like orange, like burnt orange colors. Those are really good. But this is what it looks like as well. Now, if you're a person that loves bright colors, Juvia's Place and the Crayon Case both have colors that are, both have palettes that are really bright and vivid. So if you like that, definitely check out both of these brands. Like I said, I personally don't, so that's why I buy. So I'm gonna start with this palette, and I'm gonna use, I don't know what I'm gonna use actually. I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. Yeah. Oh wow, I just dug my nail into that. But I'm gonna use this brown shade right here as my transition color. Yeah, so this one, I don't know if I pointed to the right one the first time. I really just messed up that glitter. Wow. Anyway, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild crease brush, and we're just gonna put this color in the crease and just kind of shape up and carve out our eyes. And to go up under the crease, literally directly under where I just put this color, I'm gonna use this shade right here. Same brush, and we're gonna go literally right up under. Now that we have like our neutral base going, we're gonna add some color, and I'm gonna keep using this Morphe brush just for right now, just to get like all my color in there. Actually, I lied. I'm gonna use my large eyeshadow brush to layer in the color, and then I'll blend it with my Morphe one. So for colors, I'm probably gonna try and stick with the same color scheme as yesterday. I'm gonna start with this color right here, Sekoto. It's a really pretty orange. It's bright, but it's not too bright. And I'm gonna put that on the outer part of my lid. And I'm blending this a little bit to where the lighter color brown, but not getting it with the dark brown. I don't want those two to mix. And now to add just a little dimension so that my color is not just one dimensional, I'm going to use this burnt orange shade in Jamila. And I'm going to just put that right on top of the first color and kind of blend it toward the inside of my lid. I'm going to use this tan color right here, and I'm going to put that on the inside of my lid, and I'm still using this blending brush. This is making me, this eyeshadow look kind of looks like a tropical, it's giving me very tropical vibes. We're gonna use this color, Senegal. Alright, and now I'm going to use my crease brush just to kind of blend everything. Color right here. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that on top of the color. I'll be using my e.l.f. eyeliner in black. I'm gonna be wearing these Kiss natural lashes in the style Shy. I really don't the Fenty Beauty in shade 440. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. And I'm just going to squirt 3 little pumps on for each. I'm going to use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the shade Milk Chocolate M. And I'm just going to use a Wet n Wild powder brush. Now, to set all of the contour and highlight we use, I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the shade Medium Dark. I'm going to we gotta highlight this face. I'm gonna use the Anglola from the crayon case. Peep how pretty that is, ladies. This is a bomb gold bronzy. Whew, honey. I know I didn't swatch everything else, but let me just swatch this for y'all because I don't think y'all understand just how beautiful this is. Hold on, let's get a little more. Do y'all see how pretty? Oh my god. If you're like me and you love a good gold highlighter, this is the one. But it can be a little much if you just gotta be real generous with it. I'm actually gonna just take the highlight off my, I'm using a Wet n Wild fan brush. And this is the highlight that was on my arm that I swatched. I'm just kind of laying out where I want my highlight to go. And then I'm going to go back in and kind of build it up. Slowly build it up. Highlight, honey. That is what makeup dreams are made of. To be honest. Woo! Child. It's popping. These are the colors I bought from ColourPop. This one is called Anyways. This is my favorite. Then this is Circles. It's kind of a reddish color. And then this one is called Cashing Out. Cashing Out is actually a satin lipstick. And then these two are liquid mattes. I think for today, I don't know. I feel like with my lips, I just need a nice brown. But I think I want to mix Anyways and Cashing Out and see how that looks. I don't know. We're just gonna continue to wing it. And for lip liner, I'm gonna use my NYX lip liner in the shade Espresso. It's just this really pretty brown. Everything is really pretty when I describe it. I don't know. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you like it, make sure you share, subscribe, comment, leave your comments below. If there's a certain brand or look that you want me to recreate, let me know. I'm always in the mood for a good suggestion. I will make sure to put the links to the products that I purchased down below in the description box. And yeah, I think that's it. To be honest, I always have a problem signing off on my YouTube because I always forget to say things, but I appreciate you guys watching. And yeah, like I said before, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys on the next video, and hopefully it won't be 2, 3, 4, 5 months later. So anyway, bye guys, thank you guys for watching.
Talk to me nice, talk to me nice, talk to me nice. Oh, don't talk to me at all, yeah. On the way, one call, yeah. Count it up and it's all.